Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. It's me Shahin Alam. I am a student of Kumilla University, Department of Archaeology. And you can see there is a friend beside me. Today we are in front of camera for making a new video. Actually, we were supposed to come here yesterday, but we couldn't come here yesterday because yesterday's weather wasn't good, but today's weather is good. That's why we have come here today. Today in this video, we will make a conversation. First of all, my friend will say some Bengal sentence, then I will translate this Bengal sentence. I think these sentences are very necessary for us. That's why we are making this video. Let's begin the video and keep watching this video till finish. Hello friends, before starting this video, please tell us something.
Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, Dilur Rahman Sari. Today we have come here again. Actually, I feel good to make video. That's why we are making a new video.
Thank you very much. So tell this Bengal sentence.
বিদ্যুৎ চলে গেছে।
The electricity went out.
বিদ্যুৎ চলে এসেছে।
The electricity is up.
কি হয়েছে?
What happened?
সকালের নাস্তা খেয়ে নাও।
Take your breakfast.
গোসল করে নাও।
Take a shower.
এটা খুবই দুঃখজনক।
It's so bad.
অজুহাত বানিও না।
Don't make excuse.
কোনো মতেই না।
No way.
একটা নাও।
Take one.
আর কি?
What else?
সোজা হয়ে বসো।
Sit upright.
আমাকে দেখতে দাও।
Let me see.
চলো গল্প করি।
Let's have a chat.
আমার মতে।
According to me.
কি সুন্দর।
How lovely.
কি লজ্জার কথা।
What a shame.
আমি তোমাকে কিভাবে সাহায্য করতে পারি?
How can I help you?
এটা আমি জানতাম।
I knew it.
তাই নাকি?
Is it so?
আপনার দিনটি সুন্দর কাটুক।
Have a nice day.
ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you for watching this video.